Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps on PC. So let's dive right into it. Once you're in your Chrome browser, search for Maps, and here you can see an option maps.google.com. Once you're in here you can see the map is currently loading. When it's completely loaded, you just have to, if you want to see your location, you just have to click the small location searching options right there, and Google will want your permission for it, so click on allow. Also, your precise location could not be determined currently because there is some power issues in my area. So currently it is in here. I'm in here. So, and here you can search for any location you want. Suppose you want to see the Eiffel Tower. Search for it and you'll see the total description of it, where it is, its address, opening and closing time, and how can you go there. You can even share this location from here using this share option, and you can save this location also. You can also get directions from your present location from here by clicking this direction option. And if you want to see some other place, just search for it and you'll get to see that. And yeah, that's it. It was easy, right? If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.